The lobby is cold. Ow. The floor is marble. You are 24 years old, and your badge doesn't open the executive elevator. Level 1. Coordinator. You schedule meetings you don't attend. You take notes no one reads. You watch the room, learning the invisible order. Dana stops at your desk without looking at you. No. She drops a folder and says, "They need this by 7. You don't ask which 7. The real hierarchy isn't on the org chart. It lives in who gets CC'd first, who walks in late, and nobody comments. Level 2. Manager. Now people wait for you to sit down first. A small thing, but you feel it in your spine every single time. Your budget is $800,000. You didn't earn that number. You inherited it. And now, every decision inside it is yours. You approve a hire. You deny a raise. You do both. In the same afternoon. Nobody told you how that would feel. Level 3. Director. You're in rooms where the real conversation happens before the meeting starts. That's when you learn the actual agenda. Whoa. Strategy isn't something you learn in a document. It's a language. You understand it now. Isang, anamdesex. You couldn't explain when that happened. Aju. Dana tells you the board meeting was moved. She doesn't tell you why. That gap. That's where the real information lives. Level 4. VPay. The trade becomes visible now. More access. Less privacy. More power. Ajay, abel ones, aljao, abstekimane. Less time. Bayowers. You made the deal before you saw the terms. Your calendar is managed by someone else now. Your time is no longer yours. That is not a problem. That is the product. Richard sits across from you for the first time. He doesn't look at your slides. He looks at you. Only you. Adilil. That is the test. Level 5. SVP. You see the whole board now. Not pieces. Not moves. Patterns. You can feel the next 3 quarters before they arrive. Well. Leverage isn't what you say. It's knowing what you won't say. Silence, in the right room, moves more than any argument. Richard calls you directly for the first time. Not your assistant. Not Dana. Melway. He says, "You already know what I'm going to ask." Level 6. C-Swite. The title arrives quietly. No ceremony. Dana sends a calendar invite. Monday 9 a.m. Your first day as CEO. That's all it is. You don't manage people anymore. You manage the system that manages people. That is an entirely different kind of loneliness. The board defers to you publicly. Privately, you know the 3 people whose calls you always take, no matter what. Level 7. CEO. You are not in the system anymore. You are the variable. Everything else adjusts around. The system is inside you now. Decisions that affect thousands reach your desk as single bullet points. You have trained yourself not to linger on that. Adieu. One morning, you pass someone in the lobby. Young, Alden, Astabay, Amimender, Aijel, Ambezijade, Antesal, Amazedal, Savalos Castida. 3 monitors. You recognize the posture. I'll be. You were that exact person. They don't know you exist. That's not the beginning of a warning. That is exactly how this level works. That's the whole thing. On Mejazar. It melted.